Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Geek Jam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Gemini app on Mac. So recently, Google has launched Google Gemini app for Mac users. And if you want to install it, first you need to open any browser you have and then search for Gemini for Mac. After that, scroll a bit and go to the first website, gemini.google/mac. And don't worry, I'll also attach the direct link in the description. In case you can't find it, click on it and land to this page. Now here click on download from Mac button and it will start downloading. So wait until it's done, and as soon as the .dmg file is installed on your Mac, go to Finder. Here go to downloads folder and right click on Gemini.dmg file and open it. Now after that, drag Gemini to applications folder and then go to applications. Here you can see Gemini is now installed on your Mac. All you just need to open it and a pop-up will appear asking you have downloaded Gemini from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? You need to click on open here and that's it. I have previously downloaded Gemini on my Mac, so I don't need to sign in. But in your case, you may need to sign in or create your account if you don't have an account. So follow the on-screen instructions and start using Gemini. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.